What's up, guys? Here, Pokemon collections and openings. I'll be doing a Pokemon Fate Collide and Pokemon Steam Stage opening here. As we can see, today we're going to do Steam Stage packs here. 3 of those packs. And then in part 2, like I said, guys, on my first video or second video, I was going to do from a 3rd to 5th subscription, I was going to do a 3 Pokemon Fates Collide booster pack openings. Well, there they go. Today we're going to open up some Pokemon Evolution. I was going to say Evolution, but Steam Stage here. We have this pack first. So, open this pack. Let's hope we get something good, guys, here. I'm hoping we get something good. 1, 2, 3. Another part. Oh, right off the bat. An Azumarill. Right off the bat, double. A Persian. Flaffy. Seedot. Clauncher. Bergmite. Chimchar. Out down there. Yanma. Nuzleaf. Reverse Hollow. Oh! And a Mega Steelix! Just pulled a full art Mega Steelix! Oh my god! Full art Mega Steelix, guys. You're not looking at this right now. Oh! 1 pack down! Hey, Mega Steelix! This is getting good. Like, in my Fates Collide packs, 2 Fates Collide packs I bought from Walmart, not on this video, I bought 2 packs, and the first pack I pulled a Lugia EX, but the regular rare was a Lucario. Then, the second pack, I pulled a, the second pack I did pull a, Delphox Break, and the regular rare was a Manabuzz, so. Alright. Next pack, we got a restored Anorith. We've got a Krogunk. I'm still shaking from that Mega Steelix, guys. Ninja Boy. Rapidash. We're getting some really good cards here. Tangela. Clink. Joltik. Ponard. A reverse holo Mareep. And the regular rare is a Bastidoine or something like that. So your regular rare is a Bastidoine here so far. A Mega Steelix full art and a Bastidoine. I can't really pronounce it, but that's how I'm going to be pronouncing it. Guys, here. So 2 packs down, 1 to go. This pack here. Hope we get something good. You guys out of this pack. I'm really hoping to get a good card here. Just put all the code cards right up there. There we go. Alright. Alright, we got a Rapidash. A Nuzleaf. Bravery. Nosepass. Nidorian. Yeah, I got it wrong right. Litleo. Sneasel. Meryl or something. Yeah, Meryl. Reverse Holo Seedot, and the regular rare of the pack is a Holo Xerneas. Yeah, a Holo Xerneas, guys. So great pulls, guys. 1 holo in the set that we have pulled. So, seeing a little good recap. So we got a Mega Steelix. Bastidoin. And a Hollow Exernius. If you can see the hollow. Guys, I'm so happy right now. Thanks for watching. I'll be doing Fates Collide in part 2. Bye.